7n when m equals 7 and n equals -1. I'm happy to kind of work through this, but can you tell me what to do? What should I put in place of m and n?
Put 7 in for all the m's and -1 for all the n's.
Okay. 2 times 7. Now notice I substitute in parentheses. Very important to do the same, especially for negative numbers. Excuse me, for positive numbers, not so important, but for sure for negatives, it's a good thing to do here. Now there's what's called implied parentheses in the numerator and denominator. Like you have to do what's in the numerator first, then what's in the denominator separately. All right. 2 times 14, what does that become?
2 times 7, you mean 14?
Sorry, I gave you the answer.
Yeah.
7 times -1,
7.
then it's negated, so that's +7.
Yeah. And then
what about on the bottom here?
7 plus, wait, no. Yeah. 6.
6. So this is 21 over 6. Now let me snip in the answers. The thing I found is a multiple choice test, but you'll notice that none of the answers match what you have.
You have to simplify it.
Yes. So how do you simplify a fraction like that?
See how many times 6 goes into 21.
Yeah, and you start with 2, like 2 does not work, but 3 does.
Yeah.
So you can divide top and bottom by 3. Right, divide 21 by 3, divide 6 by 3.
Oh, the bottom is 2, top one is 7.
Very good. Okay. Really, really important that you substitute in for negatives like this. Like you almost want to treat it like 2m really means 2 parentheses m. Or in the next problem, it's going to be an x squared. You want to treat it like it's parentheses x squared, because it's very easy to make a sign error and get the wrong answer, even though you know how to do it. So let's take a look here. So this time I am giving you the answer choices here. Go ahead and work this out, please. Let me know what you come up with.
Is 8?
How confident are you in your answer?
Not the most confident, but like
You should be. You did a good job there. It's 1 plus 2 plus 5. It is 8. Very good.
Okay.
Okay. Now, before we go on to this next question here, just a quick reminder. Let's say you have a negative outside parentheses, like negative 5x minus 3y plus 6. Do you remember what this negative does when it's on the outside of parentheses?
It makes everything negative? Or
Changes the signs.
negative?
Yeah, changes signs. So negative 5x plus 3y minus 6. Now, what if you had like a 2 on the outside of the parentheses
Then
here?
you
What would it
distribute
do?
2 into everything.
Okay, very good. So you know enough to be able to, based on that, to be able to answer this question. And let's take a look here. All right, so I want you to distribute this negative 14 to both terms inside here, and then combine any like terms that you see.
Okay.
Any questions for me on this? You're just working it out still?
Yeah. So I think I'm doing that's right. 70. Wait, is it correct? Is it 60? Wait, 66 plus 50 or minus 50? Wait, yeah, plus 50.
0y anywhere?
Oh yeah, I meant. Hold on. Yeah, I meant 66y.
Okay,
I mean, plus 50.
okay. Right, so I'm gonna just kind of go with you here and work this out. Can you tell me what minus 14 times 5 is?
70.
So minus 70. Why is it minus?
Because the 14 is negative.
That's right. Now it's negative 14 times negative 4. What does that
It's
become?
50.
Try again. It's 50.
That's probably what I did
56.
wrong.
That's 56. So from here, you've got positive 3y minus 70y. Your answer is negative for sure.
So yeah, isn't it 60, 66?
67. 67, yeah.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Okay. Plus 56. Now here are the answers. Sometimes you got to be careful that you do all the right work and you're going to make sure you select the right answer, which is the correct answer here. B, good. Okay, let's try another one of those. Let me make the numbers different because I didn't really like how that went. I want to make sure you can do this on your own here. All right, give this one a try. And this is really, let me make it a little closer here.
So it's 8, 7. Is it, wait, 2x? Is it 34x, right?
Yes, 34x, agreed.
Yeah, minus, is that, I think 56 or is it?
Yes, good. You did a good job on that. That's really good. Okay. Trying to find some other problems here that I think would be useful for us to do. Let's take a look at something like this. I'll just throw it at you. Based on how you answer, we either do some like it or easier or harder or same. So any idea how you might solve something like this?
Yeah, you could subtract, wait. You could wait, that wouldn't really help.
You're saying the right things. What are you going to subtract? I agree. Subtract 6x.
Yeah, from both sides, or is
Good. Yep. Good. So what does it become on the left?
negative 2x
Equals 30.
Yeah.
Solving for x means, or solving the equation means x is alone. It's the only thing. How do you undo this negative 2 in front?
Yeah, you divide by negative 2.
Okay. So what is the answer?
X equals 15.
Try again.
Oh, negative 15.
Yes. Okay. Good job on that. Let's make it slightly more complicated. Let's go at 2x minus 1 equals 3x minus 15. See if you can solve that, please.
So 2x minus 1 equals 3x minus plus 3x plus 3. Plus 1. 5x equals, well, oh, shoot, never mind.
Try again.
Wait, divide by 5. Wait, did I do this right? Oh, shit. So I did wrong. Is it x equals -14 or x? Yeah,
Did you, you're close. Did you subtract 3x from both sides?
yeah,
Okay, good. And then did you add 1 to both sides?
yeah.
All right, so on the left, it's -x equals -14.
Oh, -14. That's yeah. Sorry.
Okay,
I
now,
was
but
thinking
x is not alone. It's got the negative in front. So how do you undo?
if you divide, so then you get x equals 14. That's what I said.
Okay, sorry, I misheard. Good, really good. Okay, so we can finally work our way up to like what would be considered a test question here. Those are all kind of like building skills to this here. So here's a problem that looks much more complicated than it really is. You actually know everything to be able to solve this problem. It says 3 times 2x plus 10 minus 32 on the left. So on the left here, you have to distribute that 3 like we did in an earlier problem. So what is 3 times 2x?
6x.
And what's 3 times 10?
30.
Okay, minus 32. Does anything combine here?
Yeah. So that'd be -2.
Very good. And then equals. So we're bringing the equals down.
Yeah.
Then you have to multiply in here. What's 2 times 3x?
6x.
6x. 2 times minus 4.
8, -8.
Okay. And then what is 6 minus 8? What does that become?
2. Wait. 6, 7, yeah, 2.
You have $6 and you owe someone $8.
Oh,
What's the
-2.
yes, -2. Are these the same?
Yeah.
There. When they're the same, it's all real numbers. All real numbers.
Okay.
Any questions on that?
No.
Okay, let me actually grab another one of those. All right. Make sure this has a solution. This one does. Okay. Here is one for you to think about, work through. Put it in front of you here. This one does have a solution. You don't have to worry about anything weird going on, but go ahead and give this one a try.
-3, 1 plus 6r equals 14 minus. Okay. So it would be -3 plus, yeah, 6, 12, 18 plus 14 minus r. So we'll do 17 plus 1. So that's 17. Is it 17? Is it r equals -17? Wait.
It is not.
No,
It's not here.
-1.
It is -1. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Maybe do one more to these. I think you got it. Let me make sure this one's okay. Yeah, that one's too complicated. All right, we'll just move on here. I'm gonna do some other problems with you. I don't want to just have you do all one stuff. Sorry, just looking for some questions where we can actually do something here with them. Here we go. Slope question. This is kind of a basic skill thing that you need to know coming out of this class, which is how to find the slope between 2 points. Do you remember the slope formula?
MX equals. Wait. Isn't it MXB or something?
It is, but just the slope is y2 minus y1, x2
Oh, that's rate of change.
minus x1. It is rate of change. Good. This is a good place to ask your instructor, are you going to have an equation sheet, a reference sheet, a cheat sheet? Like, what are you going to have on
On the test.
yeah, it'd be nice to know, because then you got to know, then it tells you whether you need to memorize this or not. So in the up here, it's x1, y1, and x2, y2. You want to give that a try, please?
What did why? Isn't it? Wait. -7/3.
Okay. And then how did you come up with that? What did you put in for y2?
Y20.
Okay, good. Minus, what is y1?
7.
Negative 7. It's very different. Okay, so minus a -7 becomes +7, right? x2 is 3 minus 0. 7/3, sorry. Notice that both answers are there, negative and positive. You gotta be really careful with your signs. Okay, so let me give you another one here. These are kind of nice worksheet type problems here. Let's say it's 0, -8, and comma 4, 2.
4/-6.
So just really be careful of your sign. It's 2 minus -8. That's
Oh,
y2, y1 over
wait, yeah.
4 minus 0.
Minus. Oh, it's
So,
just minus, minus.
so 2 negatives make a positive, right?
Yeah. Okay.
It's okay. I'll give you another one here. It would the way to do it to help you would be to label. Like, really, if you label these, you really can't make a mistake unless you put them in the wrong order. I'll keep putting the formula up here. Got to get you to do one start to finish right. So let me give you some points here. Let's say it's a -1, -3, comma 2, comma we'll go 9, like that.
So it's 11. 11/3.
We got 9 minus a -3 over
Oh.
2 minus a -1.
Yeah. So it's not 11/3.
9 minus a -3 is 12.
Wait, 10, 11, 12. Oh my. Yeah. Okay.
The two negatives cancel out. 2 minus a -1 is 3.
Okay. I'm dumb.
No, don't say that. I mean, you're just trying. I mean, practice. We practice sports for the real thing. Okay, let me give you another one here. So let me say the slope is y2 minus y1 or x2 minus x1. Let's try one more here. Let's go -2, -6, comma 3, comma 9.
Oh. 8/15. Maybe.
So we got 9 minus -6 over 3 minus -2.
Oh, I did. Wait. Oh, 15/8. Wait. 6 and 9. I'm so dumb. I wrote the problem down.
Okay,
So it's, yeah, 15/5.
yes, and that reduces to
3 and 1.
3/1 or just 3, good. All right, come on, we gotta get this down. This is not impossible. It's not, we're not building
It's
a
so hard.
new,
I just keep like I
electric
keep
vehicle or
writing
something.
it down. Here, I got this one.
All right, let's try another one here. All right,
So 2 plus 0. Oh, well, 2 -3.
it's really important that you write it in this order. Y2, 0, minus Y1, which is 2, 0 minus 2 in the numerator, then -3 minus 0 in the denominator.
Yeah, isn't it 2 over -3?
It is -2, 0 minus 2, minus 3 minus 0. It is -2 over -3, which is 2 over 3. All right, I think we've kind of done as much as we can do here in this time. So we're gonna go ahead and stop right here.